You know how frustrating it is to get up in the ladder all the way to the gutters and try to remove all those leaves that get collected every season. It takes like 1 or 2 seasons for you to have the gutters just like the way you see it right now. So you have to clean them back again, make sure that everything is nice and clean for the next season. Well, not anymore, because we order these protectors for the gutters, and this is a company called FlowGuard, and they actually send you the amount that you need. In other words, if you have a larger house, you can actually pick the amount of linear footage that you need, and you order that amount. In this case, I ordered 2 boxes to be able to cover all the house. So it was really important for me to save money, because the other companies that we quoted from, they were extremely expensive, and this one is reliable, it's strong, it's made out of aluminum, so we're not gonna have an issue. It has its own screws. So what I do is I actually cut the corners, and if I know that I'm gonna get close to the corner, but maybe I'm short 6, 7 inches, 10 inches, 20 inches, I'd rather put that piece right before the long piece and the corner. So let's say I start from the corner backwards, and I end up, just cutting a straight piece. I make the little flaps on the side, and I end up putting the small addition into the center or towards the gutter inside, so I don't have small pieces in the corners. That's kind of like my approach. Is really simple. Now you want to make sure, again, that you I guess you prepare yourself really well, and you have that attachment so you don't have pressure over there. These gutters needed a little more support, so I went ahead and bought those long screws with the sleeves that you put. So I actually secured it a little bit more, because the people that was before installing the gutter, they just put few supports, and that helps as well, because it's going to provide some support for this leaf guard that I'm installing. So remember that you need to put all the screws in the front and in the back, because with the years, with the wind, with all the debris, you want to have a lot of support. So you have screws in the front and in the back, and they will lock really well. So if you have like a 5-inch or 6-inch or whatever type size of gutter you have, you want to make sure that you measure and you order the right size. So it's really cool. It's really simple. It's really light to work with, and to cut it, you just use metal scissors and it's fine. So this is how you work with this particular material. Look how all the screws are there against the gutter, not against the structure, but against the gutter, in the back of the gutter, and the little lip on the gutter, and that's it. That's why I like to show all these things, because you can save a lot of money with the information that I give you, and save a lot of headaches. So you now know, follow my channel so you can learn a lot more and save a ton of money. Make sure that you make that little intersection right there just the way I did it. Don't forget, follow and like for more.